Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I just have one thing to say. It is here. The collection that we have all been waiting for at least a year since Anthony teased us. The Halloween 2 and Glamlite collection is here. I did pick up the full collection. I have everything except for the knife mirror, which I ordered. For some reason, Giselle said on the live they had to be ordered separately because of like age restrictions. I guess because it's a knife mirror. So I ordered that while they were mailed out on the same day. They were sent different packages. So the knife mirror should hopefully be here tomorrow, which is Monday, and I didn't want to wait a whole week to have to wait to finish with the collection. So hopefully I'll remember to show you all the knife mirror. And let's go ahead and get started. Anyway, I just showed you the purse. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can you? So cool. Beautiful. Love it. The question is, where am I going to put everything? Because I have very, very limited space. All right. And then the collection comes in this awesome, if you got the PR box. Here we go. I haven't really, I mean, I've kind of looked at it, but not really. It's huge. Whoa, baby. Just absolutely beautiful. I can't really show me opening it up because I don't have enough room and I don't want to throw things. Sorry. Y'all, welcome to the home with no space. 'Tis where I live. All right. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get this started. We're going to go through all the products. Oh, it does come with, I'm going to do my best to show y'all. Can you see that? How cool. And it does have the special wrapping paper in there. Alright. So, first thing, the mask mirror. How cool. Like, how cool is that? So, mirror. I guess we'll just go through the products as we use them, right? So, we're going to get into that lip kit. Right here. And again, Glamlite and their packaging. Spot on, you guys. Just amazing. So here's the inside of the lip kit. So let's start off with this liner. Ooh. All right. You guys, so a little bit of just of a tip, if you are a YouTuber, right, and you've gone live with someone else, because Tracy and I were going to go live yesterday, and it just would not work. I tried it from mine. She tried it from hers. I tried it with my husband, who also has a YouTube channel. Like, we could get in kind of like the waiting room. But it was weird because, like, at first Tracy said she could see me, but then she couldn't. And then, okay, and then here's the lipstick. Hope you guys can see that. And then when I would hit go live, here's that lipstick. something would pop up and say like, cannot connect, and then waiting for the guest to join, but like she was there. And the same thing happened when she tried it from her end. And the same thing happened when I tried it with my husband. So my question is, how I'm just trying to clean up some of my, I have tiny, tiny lips, so it's hard for me to do lip liner and stuff. But how does one go live with somebody else on YouTube? What were we doing wrong? I've seen people do it. I know it can be done. We followed the directions and it just would not work. Okay, here's that gloss, and it does have like the blue little sparkles in it. And again, packaging is absolutely beautiful. But it's like, it just would. Okay, you guys, I'm feeling like a goof right now. I literally cannot figure this out. How do I open this? Is it a push? I mean, it looks like it'd be a twisty. Okay, it is. It was just on there really tight. I just want to see if that had a scent. I'm getting like a slight fruity scent. But here's what it looks like. I don't want to get it all over the thing, so maybe I'll just like tap it on with my fingers. But yeah, so it just would not work, and we would love to get on here and do a live because, you know, we want to interact with people and just have fun. And it just did not work. So I'm not really sure why. But if you have run into this problem and you know how to correct it, let me know. I'd really appreciate it. So we ended up going live on Instagram because that was really the only other thing that we could think of at the time, which we did, and it was fun. Like, we were live for, I'm getting gloss. Oh, that was a bad idea. I'm getting gloss all over everything right now. For a couple hours, and we just talked about spooky stuff and then makeup and hair, just all the things, and it was really fun. But we didn't really have much of an audience and not many people interacted, so we just kind of want a little more interaction. All right, so here's the palette. The star of the show for me, because I'm a Halloween fan. Love Michael Myers, but eyeshadow is definitely my thing. And then we talked about, okay, so here is, talked about trying TikTok. I do not have the ability to go live on TikTok. I only have like 400 something followers. Tracy does, so I'm not sure. I think we're gonna try and do YouTube again this coming Sunday. I guess whenever you see this, it'll be the Sunday that's coming up. So we'll try it again and hopefully it'll work. But if not, I guess if you want to help me out and you have a TikTok, go follow me. It's just Outrage and Grace on TikTok as well. And here's the palette. I'm a big blue and orange fan, so I love this. And let's go ahead and do 2 looks with this palette. Let's start with the shade. What do I want to start with? What do I want to do? Let's start with the shade Angry. Alright, you guys, I might have to go out in the backyard really quick. Sophie is sounding off. And that usually means that something's going on out there. Alright. Now I am Going to just kind of blend that in with the shade Guilty right here. Just kind of like smooth out, blend out the rough edges a little bit. All right. I'm going to take the black shade Every Day is Halloween and just kind of go in on the outer portion of the lid. You guys, I know you're hearing all kinds of stuff. My husband's getting ready for work, so that's what all that is. If you're like, what is going on? It's not the ghost, it's my husband. And if you're interested, the Profusion and Peanuts Trick or Treat palette video that I did, I kind of talk more about the haunted, creepy things that happen in my house if you want to check that out. Okay, just putting some glitter glue down. And then we're gonna go in with Killing It Since 78. That shade right there. Oh, that's pretty, pretty, pretty. Love that. All right, very, very, very pretty. I love that so much. All right, now lower lash line. I'm just gonna go in with the shade Halloween Night Massacre right here. Just smoke that out. And lower inner corner highlight, we are going with One Good Scare right here. All right, one eye done. Now let's start on the next one. And this one's gonna be our orangey eye. All right, so we're gonna start with this dark brown Haddonfield Memorial Hospital, right there. I do wish we had a deeper, darker orange, but this will work. Oops, there I go. Totally flying off the tracks. This shade is pigmented. bangs are getting a little bit in the way. I feel like I just got a haircut too. All right, where am I going? All right, we're gonna take the shade Halloween Masks right here and just blend that out. Yeah, the bangs are like, I don't know how they just got this long, but my goodness. It's like I just need to be like, okay, let me just hold these up for a second. Okay. Now I've got like a hair stuck to my face. Okay. All right. I'm gonna take that black shade again, Every Day is Halloween, and just kind of do the outer portion of the eye like I did on the blue eye. All right, putting down some glitter glue. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade The Relentless Michael Myers right here. Oh, that is an awesome shade right there. That is like pumpkin orange, perfect, beautiful. All right. Very, very fun. All right, so for that lower lash line, we're gonna go in with Halloween Night Massacre. And then lower inner corner highlight. I think I'm gonna go with Irritated, which is that orangey shade. All right. So, good to go, good to go. I am going to do my mascara and I'll be right back and we'll use the highlighter. All right, if the bangs are a little extra unruly, I had to move them out of the way to do the mascara, so I apologize. All right, now let's take a look at this highlighter because it is beautiful. Again, packaging on point. Is that upside down? Yes, sorry. Just Glamlite, they don't play, especially when it comes to their horror collections. I'm hoping y'all can see that and it's not, sometimes the things get too close. They get a little blurry, but I just want to make sure you get a good look at everything. Alright, so here's the highlight. You can see that detail. So let's go ahead and put that on. If I didn't just lose my highlight brush. All right, let's go into the highlight. Very, very pretty. All right, beautiful, just beautiful. Let me put a little bit more of my Glamlite Rick and Morty setting spray on. If you've been here, you know how much I just absolutely love that setting spray. And let's do a little final look-see. And this is a look created with the Glamlite Halloween 2 collection. Let's take one more look at the palette. I just cannot tell you how excited I am that this collection is finally here. Here is that palette. Everything performed amazingly as I expected it to. It's Glamlite. They have an amazing formula for everything that I've tried. Yeah, I love it. I am glad that I was able to get my hands on this collection. It's just beautiful. It is perfect. I love it. I'm not much of a more nudie toned lip girl, but I can't complain. I do like it. I feel like the gloss would go good with just about anything as well. And I do like the little glitters that are in it. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video, for showing my channel love. We are this close to 800. It's so close. I hope by the time I get on to film a video next week, we will be there. I need to work on my watch hours. I suck at that. Like, I need to figure out how to be more entertaining, you guys. I know, I'm sorry, I'm trying. So I was hoping maybe the lives would help with some of that, because I need to get my watch hours. I need to get my time in. I need to find a way to film videos that are more entertaining so people watch them all the way through. One day at a time, you guys. One day at a time. I will eventually figure this whole YouTube thing out, and hopefully it will turn into something amazing. I'm just like working on affirmations. I'm letting all the good into my life, and hopefully good things will come. I'm hoping 2025 will be a big year for this channel. I'm hoping. I know we're only in October, but I'm feeling it. I had some goals for this year. I might make one of them, but it's gonna take a lot, you know, like 200 something additional subscribers. Anyway, you guys, seriously though, y'all are amazing. I have been loving doing these lives, getting to interact with you. That is so cool. So I'm trying to go live on Sundays. I don't have a lot of time though. Because like Sundays I can't really do anything until my husband wakes up, you know, filming wise, so then I need to film a video and then I have to rush and get ready for the live, so things are a little hectic that way. But you know, I've been enjoying doing it. It has been fun. I think all of you have been enjoying it as well, so thank you so much. I would do a post about it, but like sometimes things happen. Like earlier my boss was texting me about work stuff. And obviously, like, it's Sunday, I'm not at work. Anyway, and that just really just puts me in such a bad mood. Like, I literally almost started crying. And I'm like, well, that just ruined the rest of my day. So I'm trying to take it back. I'm trying to not let that completely destroy me. But, like, he texts me all the time when I'm off. So it's very, very stressful because I feel like I can't get away. And it doesn't stop. But yeah, I did this video. I'm excited. I'm hoping the live after this will be fun. And if you guys can, do me a favor, share my content. You know, if there's someone you think might enjoy it, please let them know about my channel. That'd mean the world to me. And just please remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, you're amazing. And have a wonderful day, night, evening, afternoon. Did I say morning? I don't remember. I'm totally off. Just totally off. Like I said, it's just one little thing about work just destroys me. But anyway, yeah, just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.